Microsoft just rolled out massive 2026 updates that turn Copilot Notebooks into your own private, hyper-focused AI knowledge base. Today, I'll show you how to drop in your business files, automatically build visual maps so that you can control the sources that Copilot uses to generate its responses. So let's dive in. To access the Copilot Notebooks, you can click on the waffle or 9-dot icon here, and then select Notebooks. Once you've done that, you can click here where it says Create New Notebook, and you can pre-select the sources for the notebook. And as you click them, you'll see that they appear down here. Once you've selected all your references, you can click on Create. The benefit of using notebooks is that unlike Copilot that might forget some of the context that you chat about, a notebook serves as a permanent container for your projects and for all of your project references. And you can create a distinct notebook for all of your projects. Up here, you can rename your notebook. Once we add all our references here, we see that an overview has been generated based on these references. And one of the coolest things about this is that you can click on here and it'll generate a mind map. You'll see here that Copilot creates a clickable visual node map of your documents. You can click through links to see exactly how all the data connects. So we can click over here. We get a summary of what that node means. Now we can click to expand it to get even more information on that particular topic. And we can zoom in and zoom out. Now by clicking this, it's going to expand the entire mind map. We can click on here to collapse it back to the original starting point. But what I want to show you is if you click here, you can actually give Copilot instructions on how it should answer whenever you ask questions related to this notebook. So here, I'm going to say, you are a senior machine learning engineer. Keep answers highly structured, lead with the main takeaway, use bullet points, and always flag project risks. Click on save, and there we have it. So now let's click on here. We'll see that we get a Copilot chat window pop up. We can use some of these helper prompts. So provide a detailed explanation of the machine learning methods used in this notebook. So here we see an explanation of the main takeaways. As you can see, Microsoft Copilot Notebooks completely change how you manage project data. If you're already paying for enterprise or a business license, this is an extremely powerful tool for organizing your projects and staying on top of all of the project details. Drop a comment below if you want to see more Copilot features, and hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 AI workflows. See you in the next video.